Good morning! It's grocery time today. So, samahan nyo kami na mag-grocery today and I will show you what the grocery looks like here in Canada. So, first thing first, before I start to show you this, so fun facts lang sa mga grocery stores name here in Canada. So, basically, may mga times na parang same words or same names siya compare in the Philippines. Like for example, Walmart. So we have Walmart here, and then in the Philippines you have Walter. Next, we have Save On, and then in the Philippines you have Save More. So meron kaming Superstore, but in the Philippines you have Super 8. So, yun lang. Na-share ko lang sa inyo. And then today, we're gonna start the vegetables and fruits. And the next stop namin itong mga pre-packs ng chickens. So, after that, we're gonna buy some patties then and so on na pwede kong ipabaon kay Talea for schooling niya. Next up, we're going to buy some frozen fruits and vegetables kasi dito mas matagal yung shelf life niya and matagal mo siyang makukonsume. So, this is the sections for hot dogs and sausage areas. So, may mga hams din and there's a lot of different kinds which is merong beef, chicken, and so on. So, ayan siya. The next up is the pork section, which is magbibili kami ng iba't ibang kinds of porks. So, ako, pinipili ko yung mga nasa dulo or sometimes hinahanap ko muna yung price before ako kumuha kasi mas cheaper, mas the best, but still good quality of pork and at the same time good amount of food din po. So, next up is the beef section. So, once in a while, we're trying to buy beef for in a month at least. So, alam ko naman na ang beef is very expensive for everyone. So, we wanted to try it once in a while lang. But still, nakakakuha kami ng cheaper price. Like for example, $7, which is good na. So, yun. It depends. But pag may mga birthdays, we consume like $10 to $15. It depends. So, pagdating naman sa giniling, we wanted to buy beef rather than pork kasi mas juicy siya and mas masarap siya compared sa pork. The next step is the chicken. So, for sure, we need to buy chicken din para hindi naman tayo puro pork and beef. So, chicken for fried chickens or something na pang sabaw. So, next step natin is we're going to buy some dry products like for example for toiletries, foods, like delata, something like that. So, sa dami ng aisles dyan, we wanted to go in the world foods which is we called international food. So, dito, ito yung section na galing sa iba't ibang lugar. So, karamihan dito is from the Philippines. So, that's why we love this section because kapag namimiss mo yung mga food na pang Philippines, makikita mo yung most of the foods here. So, ayan. For example, ito, meron kaming Milo. So, meron Coffee Co. And then, meron cheese, whiz, parang ganun. Merong Ovaltine, merong Gold Deluxe na Polvoron, Fudgy Bar, and then, ito yung mga Angels, may Evap, may Cremsada. So, sa ilalim naman, merong puto, tapos ito, meron silang crumbs. Pag gusto mo siyang magluto na may crumbs. And then, meron pa ditong White Rabbit. So, ang tagal-tagal na nito, may White Rabbit. And then, merong eggnog, merong Coffee Co. Tapos, merong Sticos. Tapos, next stop, may mga chippies, piatos, sunflower, may oishi. So, iba-iba siyang mga chicharia. So, yan ang dami. May dingdong. Tapos, pagdating naman sa noodles, meron silang pansit canton. Ayan. So, meron ding mga bulalo or lapas patchoy. pagdating naman sa cup noodles. So, andito naman yung mga North sections para sa pagluto. Tapos, pag gusto mo naman magkaroon ng salads, meron din. So, syempre, meron din tayong Ligos and Megas, Century Tunas, and Pure Foods. Pure Foods is very expensive here. And then, there's the Spam. So, yun, itsura niyan. Then, meron tayong Dato Puti, UFC, Mang Tomas, Jufran, meron pang spaghetti sauce, pampalaman, and so on. So, lahat ng yan ay pang Philippines. So, ayan lang.